So hi, in this video we will see how fix MSVR100.DLL was not found. So if you face these issues, so just first of all open your Chrome browser where you simply search your error code. After that here you see MSVCR.DLL. Just go and guys go to this file ddlfiles.com. This is the official website where you can download these missing files. Just go here and open it. After that simply move downward where you find this download button. When you find it, simply click and download. And first click and close this error. Click on the multi times on the OK button. And guys, here if your download option is not working, so guys, here you see the option of Microsoft Downloader Center DLL problem solver. Simply go here. After that, choose your language and download. So which file you want to download? So you mark download, because in future if you have an issue, so you these file help you to fix these issues. So allow multi downloads, so you click here, cross this. So all my files are now download. Go the folder. I think the first one is only download, so I download all and this. Okay, now what you do, simply go to the file directory where they are installed and download. Simply go here and now double click on your files and install these in your C drive. Please no need to change any directory. Put it all these files in the C drive. Simply click the option of install and your process install. It takes few seconds to complete. Okay, now finish it. Okay, and also this one. So agree term and conditions, install, and your installation is complete. Then guys, you simply restart your system and you get that your error is resolved. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.